dito'y provincial director ko, si Manong Charlie. Of course, Mr. Ramses, Mr. Agustin, Mr. Alvis, and of course, Mr. Samuel. I hope you don't mind calling you in your first names na aga-amutal katan. Of course, ni Dr. Pila nga kanayon nga second na kagwapuan nga veterinaryo, 31st ni veterinaryo ti Mountain Province. Nung gamutaan na tayo dito si Kati kagwapuan tatan Dr. Pila. So, no adak di Mountain Province kagwapuan ni Dr. Pagawi. Of course, dagitoy board kayo sir nga dagitoy and municipal officials na ada ditoy matlang and of course DJ President Mr. Duluan, tumakdor kayo man sir to be recognized. Nagagit itong mga officials the organization gapukan yayo kat nag-umbong kami nga ada ditoy tata. Of course sige ta kababaihan ada tata ditoy.
Women power.
In 2022, na-conceptualize the problema ng ASF. Na-conceptualize the project na dagitoy, no? So it's 5.5 million dati. Tatan na dati 5 million and 10 million na upgrade isuna because of the increase in the prices. So although basbasit tinapan kanyayo but you're still lucky tada kayo mo lang timay sa nga naikanpay haan nga ning organizations are able to get that much of funds ano. So congratulations kanyayo with your effort kat adaday ito nga project. Usually ay ayaban na kami ti turnover ti projects. How I wish ayaban na kami mo ti success stories. Kasi nung kami sa nag-turn over kami hanmimot nga mono kumusta nagyay. Kuna na ij dato mga quotes where much is given, much is expected. Kaya nga sa won, dakdakon ti trabaho kadagyay sa ikan. Mamuyo ni Judge Buduhan. Kasi na ibaga ni Sir Charlie Tatay, adoon namin ti makikita mi nga hada nga kinawatan. Adaon lagi ay no ag income da ay napapanan na question no kas pangarigan sino tinang gastos because whether you like it or not ang infuse kayo ti pundo ditoy takurang no sa ito ti gobyerno at nga talaga ti Baguio dita no dati ti contribution yung nung aming san ko na din ang contribute di dyan ado ti kwarta na so kasano mo di bas basit ti kwarta na that's something that you would have to be content by yourself. But why am I saying ni Judge Buduhan? Because ni Judge Buduhan is one of your no Judge Isuna, he could have applied the law, no? But he has some ways somewhat to settle some of the differences. Ano ba yun? I-continue nga ni Judge. But it's an example of datayo datayo dito yung Cordillera, we have a means to resolve the issues and concerns tayo without, going to Facebook. Diba? Hanyo nga i-Facebook DJ Presidente yo. Hanyo i-Facebook DJ official yung treasurer. Diba? Pagtungtungan yo. And I think that the key is transparency. Diba? It's one of the pillars or one of the key tenets of an organization to be transparent, no? Because to be transparent, you're able to, build on integrity kada gida to mga kakadwayo. I hope we will not hear one day nga pinagnumar lang to ni Presidente. Diba? Haan nga mabalin nga pinagnumar lang to ni General Kulit itidaga or nang iusurang itidaga. Han nga kasi purpose na dahito dandan iti eleksyon. Ti agala ni Baboy. Ang alam to ni Mayor, ni Governor, ni Congressman. So you will be the source. Dakos the opportunity for us here in Ifugao. In fact, you supply to the nearby provinces because unang-una climate is very, liable to this kind of business. So I hope, aywanan nyo, hanyo nga, huwag nyo papasukin yung mga hindi dapat nang kakapasok dyan. Mga nakikita ko lang dito, Dr. Pila, is that they'll have some biosecurity concerns pa rin because of some of the ano. And maybe you try also planting trichantera igidon, no, as you try to start. Sapay kuma, in terms of ijay, nga you later on, hang kayo nga agiin na pa. But you have to, syempre business data. What is in it kanya yung mga membro, no awan mo't lang gayon ti maganda view, di ba? So that's really a given. Now, did you request ni Dr. Pila Tatay, Michael, will ask the inventory of all Inspire project for all provinces, and maybe check on mano ti baboy iji amin na Inspire. And from that, we'll have a scientific data and decide based on the data that you have. Upat lang for bidding ni Tata. We're just waiting for the authority to procure. And no, nakakatakdor di dya Inspire yung maawan tayo maglaro di tarakan nyo. So you will be the least priority. So we'll have to see kung ilan yung mga and we'll continue to propose for 2025 dihan nga maikan. So marunong to siguro nga maikan. But we're still building on anyati policy nga Aramidan Pay because is it supposed to be donated to the organization? But the first na thinking ko kami dito, if you go to the province, it's still government money, or you donate to the municipality, it's still government money that you're spending. But when you give it to the association, at the advantage na you'll be spending for all the expenses, but you'll have to ensure na kaya yung apunduan, because if not, di ba, baka madamdama nadadaan lang gaya. Remember that it's an Inspire project with a lot of biosecurity consideration, so you cannot just use it also for others. But then the question that came to us when we proposed for this is Kunada, what's your efficiency rate? How do you use your vehicle? Ideally, if you're into business, kung ni Asek Atayde, you have to use it 8 hours a day. So what's your utilization proposal? So maybe DIB kita meet up at least kahit pa paano magamit siya at maging income generating. Hindi lang para dito, but also if you have other marketing arrangements. So we're looking at that, no? Also, we're also looking at interlinking of all the Inspire projects of Pila, no? So you look at it at the province level. The municipality will look at it as a province municipal level. Because by coming up with a skill, di ba, we're able to come up with institutional partners, di ba? Sana. But then the problem tayo for Inspire is still the slaughterhouses. We're actually proposing for more equipment within the Inspire beneficiaries like feeders. Basta, na equipment that you need inside. But my problem with the ano is that with the other equipment, syempre handbot na sabay-sabay nga operate kayo, di ba? So, kailangan pa rin talaga ng you have to identify your needs. I-identify yung needs pa lang by doing Inspire to make it less labor intensive. Tapno maka-compete, because if it's too labor intensive, just like agricultural crafts, diba? Talagang dito marigatan bansa. So this is something that we're trying to do, but you have to do it in a provincial level. So I'm happy that ATI is funding the breeder farm. Actually, the kayo first na, kita kayo din suggest ko when Sir Charlie, Director Charlie is asking kung sino di sumarunod, because the first one is Akayaw. We also have engaged, I hope you discussed this with Dr. Leslie, because you have also engaged with ITCPH for the possible use, the possible source of breeders. It's also best that the breeder will come from here, diba? Maybe one of the pens or two of the pens will be used as a breeder. I don't know, but that's what one of the other suggestions of other technology breeder na damot ng ijay. When, but I don't know, it depends really on the suggestion of the Provincial Agriculture Office. This is a collective project, no? We want to see it succeed. No? We want to see it succeed. I hope, do you know in the RSPSA, ijay data TDA, at ado ti agtatarakin nga babae, itihag. And the average age of farmers in that RSPSA as of April 19 is 47. Basically, data tayo ha. Ada lang tinawatot kanyayo nga kakadwa tayo nga kasama iti bulog and all other livestock raisers. Can you also make it as your commitment to let other farmer raisers be registered in the RSPSA? Tulungan nyo isuda, i-inform nyo nga ipagayo kadagi kakadwa yung racers to be RSPSA registered, no? Di siguro di may isa. Secondly, haan ko I hope I don't see DJ day nga ada ti breakaway group manan from the bulog tamad madila di pamalakad ni Sir Duluan. Ay madimi kuha kami manan ti may isang asosasyon sabay kumatawad ti kasdan. Secondly, ada ti benefit na if you try to become cooperative because you have some tax shield. Whereas your association, your tax much like corporation. As an association, you cannot divide your profits. As cooperative, you can divide your profits in terms of dividends and patronage. So maybe in the beginning, mabalin nga association, but organization committee, so this is, I'm sorry I did not know, is it SEC registered?
Register na.
Dole registered. So you have to evolve. Hanga mabalin nga association kayo nga kanina. You have to go through cooperative or through SEC registration. Because, and you also update your, you have to update your annual financial statement. This is the requirement for you to be able to avail of further services of the DA. I'm sorry, I'm trying to be more strict because I want you to be successful. No, baybayan mi na kayo nga kaslamot lang ijay dati, awan iti in-improve kayo, no? You have to be more compliant with regulations. No masapul nga ang bayad kayo ti tax, obligasyon nyo na dati gobyerno. Sometimes you don't have hanyawa kayat kasi ang kahit ka mo ti tax, ano mo kayo ta, diba? Dapat kasjay awan-awan. No, it's your responsibility na bayad iti taxes na talaga. Kasi dahil tamot ti usaron ti gobyerno na ninayunan pa nga aduti. We really hope nga we can help you more, but please help yourself also. So I hope Sir Dulnoan challenge na pasayaan tayo. And I hope the next na umayan min to ngayon mangkitan to nga ado iti baboy da. I hope you will also put a CCTV camera sa napnukan na necessary na magmapan na dyan unod. Kasi bawal na talaga di mapati dyan unod, no? Don't. Once na nag-operate kayo tikas dyan niya. Kasi dati once nga may isang inspired beneficiary to for Benguet nga nagkamaan ikwan na. So, masakit talaga yung loob nila. We can also try to once nga may the operation you, we can also try to see how we can do na manayunan ti katiwa grant you for capital. So those are other. Anya pa lang, if possible, we can also ibulong tayo na kayo para ijay, hindi ka titijay yan? ACPC for the loan without interest. So medyo nainayunan yun. But eventually, hanya mabalin na kanayon kayo ito nga dumawdawat ng gobyerno. Tapos at least dapat ikasta tayo nga makatulong itidad ng mga organisasyon. But we're not, since we have started this partnership, we will continue na mag-monitor kanyayo sapay kumatahan tayong agsarsado. Ibagbagak ta election no next year. Ado diya gumatang ti baboy. So dapat agtarakot tayo ti baboy. So di ko na ni sir, handamot nga paiso nga mano sa ludsudon no mano nga bundles of petchay, no? Paiso mo tiban nga paiso diya. So, claim to fame na mo ti Jai. Tataga livestock ito na. So, thank you very much para giving partners tayo from the Governor's Office. The governor has been very supportive with DA projects, as much as we are also supportive with the projects of Sugao. Please inform us, haan nga dakas nga mga ibagati masapol. Masapol, ngam talaga nga usaron nyo. Han nga mabalin na usaron ni Presidente lang. Pagpagakon. Kasi, dahil naging concern, ibagada nga ni officials lang ano di Agdomar. Jai, no? So, I'm ulit-ulit di Jai because I'm really trying to push for that challenge nga make sure that your organization president is someone you trust. And if you don't, you have issues, you have your barangay, and then Sir Samuel. If you have an issue, han nga marisol ni Sir Samuel, magkanta ni Mayor, di ba? If not, you can also come to us to help. No? So, it's also nice to put up some grievance mechanism. Agtutunos kayo. No, pas pangarigan, dumanon ti panawon. Nga haan kayo nga kikinaawatan. Anya ti ikas tayo nga mang-resolve the conflict. So that's one of the things that I encourage with the association. Manong Charlie, nung hanak man nga maka-attend ito na mga nga turnover really yun ay unay kayo. What is the possible means of grievance machinery that we will set up? Kasi, siguro na Cordillera, we don't want to go to court. No? Kasi wakayat nga mapaniti korte kasi ti korte mabayad. Ang sinakit kayo pa eh. For us, no, dati kas jay, then you can also try to adamat DJ barangay captain sa rin kayo. So manan, kadag ito'y kakailan nga taga Ifugao, particularly for Tiangan, salamat iti support, iti Department of Agriculture, awang kayo amin nga magsugsuporta awan ti baarabitan ti Department of Agriculture, kinagpaiso. So, thank you very much again. Taripatun nyo, takwarta yun dahil. Hanya kwarta ni Congressman dahil, hanya kwarta ni Governor, hanya kwarta ni PDA, kwarta ni Umili dahil. So, dapat talaga taripatun nyo. Ngam no, awan ti officials nyo, nga mang ibunbulong dita, awan ba't lang dahil na project. So, it's a two-way relationship that we'll have to contend. No? So, my office is always, no madanon kayo ije bagyo, you can always come and visit to adapt. So thank you very much again and God bless you.